Exercise 1C, implementation of remote command execution using TCP. Here first we have to create the client program and server program. Go to the notepad and type the program for client. Import the Java file and create the class name as a remote client. Then main function is opened. Try and catch method. First import the port number. Next buffer reader has input stream. Enter the port address. The port number is defined with the integer pass hint. Then the socket is created to get connected with that port using the local host. Then input stream is defined using IN. To get the output stream is defined, and a new buffer reader is defined to print the output, and the command will be executed. Then read the given line using string concept. Open the port number and close the connection. If the statement is false, then exception is created. Then open a new notepad for server program. Import the Java files and define the name as remote server. Then void main function is declared. Buffer reader is to get the input stream. Enter the port address. A new server socket is defined to get the port number, and it print the statement as server is ready to receive a command, and it wait by accept function. Then the client socket will be get connected. It passes the input stream and output stream, and it is readed under the buffer, and it print the port number, and the port number will get executed, and then the connection is closed. If the a true statement is executed, then go to the command prompt and type the coding where the program is located as change directory. Then compile the program using javac. File name is Java. The file name should be class name, and run the server. It asks the end port number address. If you are giving any port number, the server is ready to receive, and run the client program, and server socket is connected successfully. Then it will wait client socket to get connected. If it is connected, enter the command executed. If I am giving calc, the calculator will be opened. So the port number will be get connected successfully, and it display the messages cal is executed successfully.